cookie is a small amount of text, a name and a value, sent from a website, stored locally on your browser, and then sent back with requests to the website's back-end server. Now, cookies allow a website to store information so it can do things like remember a user between pages. Now, a third-party cookie is a cookie set by a site that's different from the site you're visiting. But, what does that mean? Well, imagine that you visit the homepage of the website cats.example. Now, as you can see, cats.example includes content and services from several external third-party sites. A map from catmap.example, an ad from adtech.example, and an analytics script from analytics.example. Now, in response to a request, any of these third-party sites can ask the browser to store a cookie. For example, analytics.example or adtech.example might use cookies to distinguish between different users. And catmap.example might keep a record of your favorite cat location. And the cookie will be treated by the browser as a third-party cookie, since it's not from the top-level site shown in the address bar, cats.example. But third-party cookies aren't just from third parties. Now, cats.example might also include an iframe from their microsite cathire.example. And just in case you're not sure what an iframe is, well, it's just a web page within a web page. To embed an iframe in a page, you include an iframe element in the page's HTML. Anyway, so in this case, even though both sites are owned by the same company, requests to cathire.example from cats.example are treated by the browser as cross-site since, well, of course, they're different sites. If the cathire.example iframe sets a cookie, the browser will treat it as a third-party cookie, since it's not from the top-level site, cats.example. So, what we call third-party cookies are really cross-site cookies. Third-party cookies may be from a third party, such as the analytics.example JavaScript included on cats.example, or from a different site belonging to the same first party as the top-level site, such as the cathire.example iframe on cats.example. And just to be clear, the same mechanisms are used to communicate and store first-party and third-party cookies. A cookie is a name and a value sent from a back-end web server, stored as text by your browser, and then sent back to the server, no matter whether it's a first-party cookie or a third-party cookie. The difference is in where cookies are from relative to where they're used, which determines how they're handled by the browser. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all the videos in the Cookie Basics series. Now, if you're not sure how cookies work, check out our video, What Are Cookies? We have a guide and a demo to go with this video, and lots more resources on our website to help you understand how cookies work.